My dear students, in the previous class, you have learned what is a polynomial, what is the standard form of a polynomial, how to represent a polynomial, what is the degree of a polynomial, and what are the different types of polynomials based on the degree of the polynomial. In today's session, we will see what is the value of a polynomial, what is the zero or root of a polynomial, and also how to find the zeros of a linear polynomial. Myself, Noble Thomas, I welcome you all once again to your own channel, Noble Mathematics. We'll find a way or make one. Today's first topic is value of a polynomial. If p of x is any polynomial and a is any real number, then p of a is called the value of polynomial at x is equal to a. I will explain by using an example. Suppose we have a polynomial p of x is equal to 3x squared plus 2x minus 1. I replace x with 1, so I call it as p of 1. And this is called the value of polynomial at x is equal to 1. This is called the value of polynomial at x is equal to 1. And it is obtained by replacing x with 1 in the given polynomial. That is 3x square becomes 3 into 1 square plus 2x becomes 2 into 1 minus 1. 3 into 1 square 3 plus 2 into 1 2 minus 1 it is equal to 4. So here 4 is called or 4 is the value of polynomial p of x at x is equal to 1. So in this way you can find the value of the polynomial p of x at any value of x. That is, if I write p of 2, it means the value of the polynomial at x is equal to 2, and it is obtained by replacing x is equal to 2 in the given polynomial. That is 3 into 2 square plus 2 into 2 minus 1. 3 into 2 square is 4, that is 12 plus 2 into 2, 4 minus 1. 12 plus 4, 16 minus 1 is equal to 15. So here 15 is the value of the polynomial at x is equal to 2. Here 15 is the value of the polynomial at x is equal to 2. So this is what is called the value of a polynomial. The next topic is zero or root of a polynomial. If p of x is any polynomial and a is any real number such that p of a is equal to 0, then x is equal to a is called a zero or root of polynomial p of x. If p of x is any polynomial and a is any real number such that p of a is equal to 0, then x is equal to a is called a zero of polynomial p of x. Let us see an example. Here we have a polynomial p of x is equal to x square minus 3x plus 2. Here I take p of 1. P of 1 means the value of polynomial at x is equal to 1, which is obtained by replacing x is equal to 1 in the given polynomial. Here x square becomes 1 square minus 3 into 1 plus 2. 1 square is 1 minus 3 into 1 is 3 plus 2. 1 plus 2, 3 minus 3 it is equal to 0. That is, by replacing x is equal to 1, we get the value of polynomial at x is equal to 1 and it is equal to 0. So here x is equal to 1 is a zero of the polynomial p of x. Let us take another value p of 2. P of 2 means the value of polynomial at x is equal to 2. That is obtained by replacing x with the 2. So 2 square minus 3 into 2 plus 2. 2 square 4 minus 3 into 2 6 plus 2. 4 plus 2, 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 2 is a 0 of polynomial p of x. We cannot find more zeros for this polynomial. Here, this is a quadratic polynomial. A quadratic polynomial can have at most 2 zeros. So, the degree of the polynomial decides the maximum number of zeros for a polynomial. That is, for a linear polynomial, there can be only 1 zero. A quadratic polynomial can have at most maximum 2 zeros. A cubic polynomial can have 3 zeros. A biquadratic polynomial can have 4 zeros. In that way, we can say that a polynomial of degree n can have at most n zero. That is, if the degree of a polynomial is 10, then that polynomial can have at most 10 zeros. So this is the meaning of the zeros of a polynomial. Now we are going to learn how to find the zeros of a linear polynomial. You know that the standard form of a linear polynomial is p of x is equal to ax plus b, where a and b are real numbers and a is not equal to 0. Let us do an example. Find the zero of p of x is equal to 2x minus 1. Find the zero of polynomial p of x is equal to 2x minus 1. It is very simple to find the zeros of a or zero of a linear polynomial. A linear polynomial can have only 1 zero. So, to find the zero of a linear polynomial, first we equate the polynomial equal to 0. So, let 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. 2x minus 1 is equal to 0 means it becomes a very simple linear equation. So, we can solve it. Therefore, 2x is equal to plus 1. And hence x is equal to 1 by 2. So here the zero of the polynomial p of x is equal to 2x minus 1 is equal to 1 by 2. It means that if you substitute x is equal to 1 by 2 in the given polynomial, its value will become 0. Let us verify that. Now p of 1 by 2. What do you mean by p of 1 by 2? The value of the polynomial p of x at x is equal to 1 by 2, and it is obtained by replacing x is equal to 1 by 2. So it is 2 into 1 by 2 minus 1. 2 and 2 get cancelled. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Here p of 1 by 2 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to 1 by 2 is the zero of this linear polynomial. Let us consider the question. Check whether x is equal to minus 1 by root 3 and 2 by root 3 are the zeros of the polynomial p of x is equal to 3x square minus 1. The question is whether x is equal to minus 1 by root 3 and x is equal to 2 by root 3 are the zeros of the given polynomial p of x equal to 3x square minus 1. So we have to verify. See how to verify the given value of x is a zero of the polynomial. Given p of x is equal to 3x square minus 1. We have to verify whether x is equal to minus 1 by root 3 is a zero of this polynomial. For that, we are going to replace x with a minus 1 by root 3. Here, p of minus 1 by root 3. You know that p of minus 1 by root 3 means the value of the polynomial at x is equal to minus 1 by root 3, and it is obtained by replacing x with minus 1 by root 3. So minus 1 by root 3 the whole square. 3x square means 3 into minus 1 by root 3 the whole square minus 1. It's equal to 3 into the square of a negative number is positive, so it will be 1 by Square root of 3 square is 3. Root 3 square is 3 minus 1. 3 get cancelled. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. That is, P of minus 1 by root 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to minus 1 by root 3 is a 0 of polynomial P of x. Similarly, we can check for the other value of x. Now, P of 2 by root 3 is equal to 3 into 2 by root 3 the whole square minus 1. That's equal to 3 into 2 square 4 by root 3 square 3 minus 1. 3 and 3 get cancelled. We have 4 minus 1, which is equal to 3. That is, P of 2 by root 3 is equal to 3, which is not equal to 0. Not equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 2 by root 3 is not a 0 of polynomial P of x. This is how we can verify whether the given value of x is the 0 or root of the given polynomial. So today we have learned what is the value of a polynomial, what is the 0 of a polynomial, how to find the 0 of a linear polynomial, and also how to verify the given value of x is the 0 or root of the given polynomial. That is all for today. We will meet in the next class with a new topic. Till then, take care. Bye.